sa atin sa live.
Yes.
Yes. Pa-like and share po sa ating live. Ayan. Sa ating Mixture Band live show.
Maraming nanonood sa inyo, mga idol. Mixture Band,
Yes.
lalong-lalo sa Sacramento. Palagi kayo namin pinapanood tuwing hapon pag tapos ng trabaho.
Wow. Thank you
Oh,
so
mga
much
kasama ko dyan sa Sacramento, nandito na, kasama ko ng Mixture Band.
Yes. Thank you din po sa pag-invite po sa grupo. Ayan.
Thank you very much. Nakita nyo na, ha? Wag
you
nyo lang-
very much.
Totoo na to tayo, hindi na sa TV.
Hindi ka na nanaginip tayo.
And
Nakita nyo na po kung sino talagang maputi at morena.
Ayan.
At sino yung mga sexy? Oh, wala nga pila.
At syempre, kung sino yung pinakamatangkad at pinakamaliit.
Para kasi iisa-size namin sa TV tayo. Parang yung size namin sa TV, hindi totoo, no? Win ko na.
Madaya yung TV nila kapag... And syempre, happy birthday po kay tatay at kay nanay. Syempre, si nanay, ang birthday niya is December 25.
Wait. At saka si tatay December.
Ngayon.
Ay, ngayon.
Wow. Happy
Pinag-isa na
birthday.
nila ang kanilang ano.
24, kaya wala kayong...
Yes po.
Hindi po
Hindi po pwede.
Magpapasko po kami sa mga bahay-bahay.
Yes.
Ayan. Sige, tay, upo muna tayo doon at bibigyan po namin kayo ng magandang mga awitin. At ito pong nag-iisang babaita sa aming grupo.
Si Rona.
Si Rona Bells.
Dati Bobby, ngayon Rona na naman.
Alias. Laya.
Pwede nyo rin po siyang alyasan sa pamamagitan ng kanyang buhok.
Kulot.
Ang pag ikaw umalyas yan, anong alyas mo dyan?
Ano? Wara.
Check.
Wara.
Check.
Is.
Ayan.
Hello. Yan, ano po bang gusto nyong kantahin ko para sa inyo po? Nay, tay, ano pong gusto nyong kantahin ko? Requested song po. Yung gusto nyong sumayaw na po kayo ngayon? Kaya masin? Ano team sing nyo, tay? Yung team song nyo? Wala po. Victoria? Lambo. Pare. Kiss. Ay, yung kanta ni Romeo.
Favorite daw nila doon sa Sacramento yung Victoria, kuya.
Kaya kantahin mo. Bakit nawawala?
Sacramento, California. Ayan, USA.
Grabe yung hangin dito.
Victoria. Requested ni. At dapat ka request na Uncle Damdama. Ajay kanukwa. Ano, dayayin nga kanta na? Margarita.
Uy,
Wala.
kada gold digger.
Yan, sa mga bisita po natin dyan, pasok na po kayo dito sa loob. Ayan. Ayan, ito na po ang request ni tatay na
Yes.
Victoria.
First requested song. Ay, uuwi tayo, mapupuno yung mga butas dyan. Tay, mapupuno kailangan to, ha? Tay. Tapang
Mapupuno.
kape, mi Jay, ikaw damdama.
Napadat, nagpasya kay urdaneta. Yung sing! Padana sa ba't ko wala sa lambutan. Kini kaya itikhan ni imisip na kasamsapi. Victoria, tinagan ko kinunana. Inarem ko ni Victoria. pinabayaan. No pa'y kasta, ibanag na sinusa. Ket dimteng iti aldaw, napalaos tiragsak ko ni Victoria inak na kontay ay ako. When nagganas tunggal aldaw nga aglaban, tunggal ada ni Victoria iti denna. Malas ti aming nga malas, inagaw na nigasa, ididimteng ti may sa pasama. Idi na panag nagpasyar ijay balayda, di tatang na ti indah nakasarita.
Hey, barok pasensya ka na awanin ni Victoria. Intaray na itay ating akaruna. Punay nagkasamot ng Victoria. What ya ko?
Nasakit, tinakam ko itinakasama. Napana, naginom iti ara. Tigasan ko sinang sangitak, taawanin tiliw-liwag ni Victoria. Ket awanin iti denna. Naklawas iti bulan ketang dagen tawen. Nadamak ko ni Victoria simang pite. Dagos ko sinarungkaran, mailiwak ko na kinkwanan. Gem at damit di ubing akadawanan. Pagtinggaan na ito'y kanta, di istorya may panggip kenaya. Tanak subli tiliw-liwag ni Victoria, sinubyanak dobiten kakidobliem na ito'y kanta. Nubitin ka ket dobliem na ito'y kanta.
Alright,
Thank you
thank you
very
so
much.
much, sir, sa pag-request ng ano. Di bali tayo Ilocano tayo matag, Ilocano tayo latay.
Right.
May mayakpay. Hanap maawatan tayo maamin.
Hey, barok pasensya ka.
Hindi?
Unay patay na ni Victoria matay.
Ayan, syempre nakalive po tayo ngayon sa ating page na Mixture Band
Show.
Ayan.
Please share our live.
Yes po.
Pa-follow na rin po ng aming
Yan, sila tatay, syempre,
Page.
ano tayo, pinapanood dito sa YouTube natin.
Naka-live
Ayan.
tayo ngayon. So, mapapanood po ng...
mga taga Sacramento, California,
Yes.
USA.
Kaya kailangan i-share na natin yung live.
Share, share, share.
Sige.
Share.
Alright, another song from Hegade.
If you don't wanna see me, see somebody. be it all. So if you don't wanna see me, sing with somebody. If you wanna believe that anything could stop me, hey, don't you run, don't come down, don't start caring about the land. Walk away, you know how, don't start caring about the land. If you wanna run away with me, and all God said I can take it for a ride. I had a premonition that I fell into a rhythm and of music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way I like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you fit me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby, my sugar boo. I'm living to make the way. We're really getting yeah, 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 yeah. I got you, moonlight, you're my star. I need you all night. I'm a blessed day. I'm living to you, moonlight, you're my star. I need you all night. I'm a blessed day. You can fly with me tonight. You can fly with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah, 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 yeah. You can fly with me tonight. You can fly with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you, moonlight, you're my star. I need you all night. Come and dance with me. You can fly with me tonight. You can fly with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah, 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 yeah. You can fly with me tonight. You can fly with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah, 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 yeah. Got you, moonlight, you're my star. I need you all night. Come and dance with me. Let me take all right.
You save my time when things go wrong. When the sea I'm a linger, and then pleasure strong. Cold, cold heart. Something's looking better, baby. Just pass it through. Oh no, 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 no.
Just gonna be a long, long time. That's all it means we gonna set you fine. That's all the man you think I am my own. No, 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 no. And if this what I do, hesitate. Well, I thought easy.
Cold, cold heart. I've been by you. Something's looking better, baby. Just pass it through. Oh no, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Shutting out, but I can't hear a word you say. I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, far away. Ricochet, you're taking rain. Far away, far away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I'm just letting you. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I'm just letting you.
nasa labas, pwede na po kayong pumasok dito.
Yes.
Mainit po dyan sa labas, kaya pasok po tayo dito sa loob.
Ayan, siyempre sa mga gusto po nga mag-subscribe sa aming Facebook page or follow, ayan, just search po ang Mixture Band Show. Ayan, sa Facebook po yan. Ayan. Ito po ang aming new page.
Yes.
Yes.
Dahil hindi pa nababalik yung dating page natin.
Yes, ano po sa ating live?
May konting problema lang.
And sa mga gusto po mag-request ng kanta, basta alam po natin kantahin at
I-play po
tugtugin.
natin yan.
Ayan.
And of course, sa mga nanonood po sa ating live today, please do share
Yes.
Mixture
Band Show.
Show.
Yes.
Kung gusto nyo pong makita ang original na laya, manood po kayo ng Mix Your Band Show. Yan.
Laya.
Makikita nyo ang laya. Kalayaan City.
And ano po sa mga taga-Sacramento, California.
Yes!
Wow!
Merry Christmas po!
Merry Christmas to all of you once again. California, yeah, Sacramento, all right.
Ayos lang daw, kuya, ayos lang. At
Sa mga
syempre,
nandyan sa
shout out po
labas.
sa,
Yes.
sa lahat ng nanonood.
Yes. Sa mga nandyan sa labas, pwede po kayong pumasok at makisaya sa amin ngayon.
Mainit dyan. Pasok kayo dito sa loob.
In heaven, the nature sing.
The Lord has done. Let us receive our King. Let every heart preparing blue. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. Oh, that song is brought to you by
Mixture Band Show. Ayan. Ayan. Another song tayo, kuya.
Sure.
Sure.
Ay, Charlie. Para sa mga bata, sigurado alam nyo to. Correct? Namin ngayon, eh? Was.
Sa mga gusto
Right.
mag-request dyan, syempre.
Yes.
Tumata mo si baby.
Sina?
Tumata
Saan
mo
dyan?
si baby na naka-blue.
Pwede niyong
Ang
sayawin
cute
to.
niya.
No.
Alam mo itong
Alam ko
kakantahin
naman
nila,
yan.
ya? Alam mo to, bebe?
Alam mo yung one day? Bakit? Ha?
Ay,
English?
ka.
Baby, you know, yeah.
Alam mo, mas maganda kung pupunta ka sa harapan niya, kausapin
No,
mo.
English, right? You
Come
know the
here
song,
on stage.
you know the
You talk
song,
to Laya.
you know the song, dictionary? You know the song, One Day, by Mitsubishi? Alright?
Si
No?
baby naka-blue.
No? Oh my God. What do you want?
Kuya, nalungkot
Natakot
siya.
na sa'yo yung bata.
How about the other kids?
Sabi niya, hindi ka na raw makakalabas dito.
Joke. Happy
Right.
birthday kay Tita Shirley Gotcha. Merry Christmas. Hello,
Ayan, Merry
everyone.
Christmas po, Tito Shirley. Alright, okay ka ba dyan? Megas mo na yan.
Puro blooming ngayon mga idol. Sabi ko.
Alright, there's another song from Machi.
Sometimes I lay under the moon and nothing got it on reading. Then I pray to take me soon, 'cause I am here for the reason. Well, the tears in my tears I drown, but the devil let it get me down. So when negativity surrounds, and I know someday it will all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't when I fight no more, there'll be no more wars, and the children will play sing one day, one day, one day, oh, one day, one day, one day. It's not about a win or lose, 'cause we all lose when the penny and the sun on a you said black rage page, but keeps on moving to the waters they raging. In this space, we can lose your way. Your way. If I drive you crazy, but don't let the person away. The way. Sometimes in my tears I drown. But the devil let it get
activities around. And I know someday when it all turn around, because in all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say, don't when I find no more, there'll be no more wars, and the children will be singing one day, one day, one day, oh, one day, one day, one day. One day's wrong with change, people the same. Stop with the violence when it's time to hey, hey, hey. One day when I'll be free, 'cause I'm proud to be. Well, I'm never sing a song, I play them like why you rock down, 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 why you all my life I've been waiting for, 'cause I've been praying for the people to say, that be done when the fight no more, there be no more one, and the children will play, sing one day, one day, one day, yeah, 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 one day, one day, one day, yeah, yeah, brum, dum, da, dum, brum, da, boom, da, 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 ba-da, doom, da, 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 ba-da, doom, da, doom, da, doom, da, doom, da, doom, da, 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 ba-da, doom, da, 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 ba-da, doom, da, 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 ba-da, doom, da, doom, da, doom, da, doom, da, doom, da, 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 oh, ay, 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 oh, ay, 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 yo, yo, ay, 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 brum, dum, da, ay, 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 yo, 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 yo.
Yes, thank you so much.
Ayan, namekos-mekos ko kayo.
Wow.
Baklang to.
And hello po sa ating mga viewers, sa ating live, Sir Daniel Almoite and Sir Mauricio Soriano. Ayan, from La Union para Sir Daniel, see you po sa 28.
Yan.
Ayun.
New song ni Frian Laya, One Day Soon.
One day, isang araw.
Ay, soon.
Ayan, sa mga bisita po na nandyan po sa labas, pwede po tayong pumasok na.
Ang sarap ng hangin, may kasamang buhangin.
Ay, ulitin po namin ang live stream po natin ngayon nasa Mixture Band Show page. Ayan.
Pa-share po ng aming live. Thank you.
Yes. Share, share, share. Ayan.
Ay, sa mga gusto pong mag-request dyan, open na ang ano daw? open po ang ating stage for your requested songs. Huwag po kayong mahiya.
Sulat nyo lang po sa malinis na papel.
Pwede din po sa
kasama.
may tao. Pwede din po yung may tao.
May
Tas
kalapik.
ilagay dito sa may mga butas.
Namu baka tao naman ilagay sila sa butas.
Hindi kasha. What I mean,
May
papel na
kulay,
may
kamo na
tao.
lang.
Wala, natindagan. Natumban ang kal. Napartakan nyo na matumban. Ayan. Ayun na, dahil wala pang requested songs. Ayun, isang awitin para sa ating lahat. Spanish Edit! Oh, hi! Let's go!
No sit in the air, comme ça pour et je loue. There wasn't a lie, the breaks that you got, you know it does. And I remember wondering where you've been. Tonight's Spanish Eddie, cashing in. Oh! Tonight, Spanish Eddie, cashing in. They were playing Desolation on the radio. The
Spanish Eddie cashing in. They were playing Desolation Row on the radio tonight. Spanish Eddie made from age. His revolution came of age. He runs around the world tonight into the fall. I heard someone say he's trying to fly, like they used to say, we'll do what we do. And will someone turn you for base speed? Tonight's found a shady cashing in. Oh, somebody. Tonight, it's found a shady cashing in. They were playing Desolation Row on the radio. Tonight, it's found a shady fell from grace. There was some mission on his face on the night that Eddie fell. Sanity prevailed tonight. Spanish Eddie cashing in. They were playing Desolation Row on the radio tonight. Spanish Eddie cashing in. They were playing Desolation Row on the radio tonight. Spanish Eddie cashing in. They were playing Desolation Row on the radio. All right, here's another song from
Alright, ayan. Wala po ba tayong mga request, nanay,
Yes.
tatay?
Baka sakaling matamaan po natin yan. Baka sakaling matamaan me.
Tiraan tayo no ka.
Ay, Ilocano.
Bayo.
Ilocano? Bulubayon? Sa baliman pa nagdengag kon. Awan.
Kung sino pa yung napakadaming dalang cotton.
True.
Nakaturog pa'y
Nabago
tiriknak.
Well, nagpig sa angin dito yung urdaneta, Pangasinan, Apo.
Yes.
Ang lakas ng simoy
Buti
ng
na lang di kami maitayab ni Berna.
Okay, para sa request ni nanay at tatay.
Eh, sana yung mita!
Ayan, pwede po nating isayaw.
Tang, isa lang ni Nanangaw.
Kasi tatay, kahit sa labas nakita ko umiindak na siya.
Ayan, si tatay.
Feels so bad, I've got a worried mind. I'm so lonesome all the time. Since I left my baby behind on Blue Bayou, saving nickels, saving times, working till the sun don't shine, looking forward to happier times on Blue Bayou. I'll be back someday, come what may, to Blue Bayou, where the folks are fine and the world is mine on Blue Bayou, where those fishing boats with their sails afloat
some of my friends. Maybe I'll feel better again on Blue Bayou. How about that? Blue Bayou. Saving nickels, saving dimes, working till the sun don't shine. Looking forward to happier times on Blue Bayou. I'm going back someday, come what may, to Blue Bayou, where the folks are fine and the world is mine on Blue Bayou. Where there's fishing boats with their sails afloat. If I could only see that familiar sunrise, just sleepy eyes, how happy I'd be. Hold the fire on by my side, the silver moon and the evening tide. Oh, some sweet days cannot take away these hurting inside. Well, I'll never be blue, my dreams come true. On Blue
Yes, thank you so much. Nayahangin ako, Ate Fe.
Para tayo nasa igid ng baybay.
Oo, ang lamig.
Hindi tayo nahangin, be.
Ano?
Kumapit ka lang.
Saan ako kakapit kay Manilin?
Lalo ko maitayag.
Maitangay. Matumba kayo nga dua.
Mangarot.
May mga requested song pa po ba?
Yes.
Mother?
Mother!
Mapapalo.
Nakatid.
Hindi, sabi nga ni nanay kanina, di ba? Hindi daw sila, never daw sila nag-away.
Ay, sana all.
Ala.
Ngayon lang daw sila nag-away. Oh.
Ala. Ay! Nanay, hindi pwede yan. Birthday niyong dalawa.
Ipabukas ko na lang.
Ang sama ng tingin ni nanay kay tatay.
Mother!
Happy birthday!
Oo nga. Oh.
Alright, katanong natin sila na happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord, may the good Lord. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday!
Ayan. Nanay. Ayan. Gusto mo magbalse, nanay?
Oh, ayan na, oo. Nay, gusto mo. Oo. Gusto na daw niya kasi ibalsi si tatay. Ito naman si tatay ayaw. Oh. Balsi. Balsi ka ng ay, mother. Mother!
And para sa mga gusto magbalse po dyan.
Sige, magbalsi muna tayo. Para sasayaw naman si tatay at si nanay. Well, si tayo lang minta adatoy na yung makakakita
Mati
kayo.
kayo. Mati kayo, babay na kita na pupustol room. Mami. Ne, apay awan ti mic ko.
Mapukpukaw.
Mapukpukaw.
Ngayon makakita, dagito yung arami din tayo tatakot kwa. Sacramento, California, USA. Hello po ulit sa inyo lahat.
I will love and lost again. What a crazy world we're living in. True love has no chance to win. I will love and lost again. I've asked you what chance have I, when it's loving me just makes me cry. He loves a while and said goodbye. I'm loving lost again. To be true to one alone don't seem to matter anymore. They tell you you're out of time unless you had 3 or 4. I've loved and lost again. What a crazy world we're living in. True love has no chance to win. I'm loved and lost again. To be true to one alone don't seem to matter anymore. They tell you you're out of time unless you had 3 or 4. I've loved and lost again. What a crazy world we're living in. True love has no chance to win. I've loved and lost again. I ask you what chance have I, when it's loving me just makes me cry. He loves a while and said goodbye. I've loved and lost again.
Ayan. Mukhang kumukuha pa sila ng lakas ng loob para sumayaw.
Oo nga, tayo-tayo lang po nandito.
Wala
Oo
pong
nga
ibang
po.
tao.
Mas enjoy pa pag sumasayaw kayo habang
Opo.
kumakanta
Ay
po
na,
kami.
agbabawi kayong tono awayo.
Pasto.
Doral Paston, nagsalaklat ako.
Para nakikita din po kayo sa ating live.
Opo.
Ayan.
Dapat nga si tatay tsaka si nanay sumasayaw eh.
Nay, padasin uray kasti lang
hindi
ni.
daw si-
Ay, hindi
Hindi
daw
talaga?
sumasayaw si nanay. Kaya pala pinapagalitan niya si tatay.
Ni tatay talaga kaya na, tegsalan.
Mahilig.
Mahilig, Texa. Saan mahilig na?
Ay,
Say-saya atin nyo.
Uy, sa bali niya yung ngiit ni tatay ni.
Alright, another song from Dolly.
If she brings you happiness, and I wish you for the best. It's your happiness that matters most of all. But if she ever breaks your heart, if the treasures ever start, I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. Though it hurts to let you go, darling, I want you to know I run to you if ever you should come on. And if I should ever hear that she's made you shed a tear, I'll be there before the
Ayan, another song. Another Western song. And sa mga gusto pong mag-request, ayan, baka may request po kayo mga madam.
Na may kasamang paipit.
Manila Girl! Ayan,
Ayan,
sige po,
yes,
susunod po
later po.
natin yan. Sige po, sige po.
Syempre,
Sasayaw po
shout out
kayo
sa mga
ha.
sa live.
Mamaya ay!
Ni Priyan.
Kung parang kukuha pa lang sila ng
Ayan.
lakas ng loob talaga. Wala pang inom yan ah.
Sa
Ay,
isang
kailangan
partida.
Sa
po
isang
ng red
condition
wine.
na nakakantahin namin yun, magsasayaw po kayo.
Oh, mamaya.
Wala pa kasi silang inom.
Ay, ganun ba? Ay, tagay.
Kailangan ng pampakapal ng mukha.
Abay, bakit tayo kahit hindi tayo nakakainom makapal?
Sanay-sanay na eh.
Normal na yun sa atin.
Normal. Ayan, another Western song po. And after that is yung request po ninyong Manila Girl.
Agsala kay garot ang tian, ng namaan. Madi kayo lang agsala ka, guyodin na kayo. Damdamakan.
Her lips and her dress, they both ruby red. She thinks that how you hide the pain you feel inside. She comes out every night to soak up the neon light. Her perfume fills the air. People stop and stare, but blue roses looking for the moon in someone's eyes. Blue roses is willing to believe in someone's life. Blue roses, petals have been crushed along the way. Whoa, blue roses, just growing over every day. One more drink, one more dance. You might be her only chance. She needs someone to hold when the night is growing old. And if you don't mind that turn, she'll take you in and give you warm, lying in the dark in a bed of broken heart. But blue roses looking for the moon in someone's eyes. Blue roses is willing to believe in someone's life. Now blue roses, petals have been crushed along the way. Whoa, blue roses, just growing bluer and bluer every day.
Makasayaw na po sila mamaya. Sabay ganun.
Now na!
Now na! Boy, abunda. Ito ba yan? Alright, para mo sa likod ng Manila Girl!
nasa upuan siya.
Grabe, sumasabay yung mga buhok natin sa ano.
Sabay sa agos.
Ng hangin. Sa ulan.
Agos ng hangin.
Ayan, ano pa po mga requested